And then girls keep looking at us over there. Don't look.
Chloe can't put a jumper on.
Yeah, so I tried to put my jumper on, got it stuck over my head, and there's a load of hot guys sitting right over there. Just by chance, they all saw
Wait, let me zoom. Let me zoom. Wait. Right. Over there. Can you see them right in the corner? Yeah, they kept looking at her, and they started laughing, and it was rather funny.
I just humiliate myself everywhere I go.
It was so funny, they got stuck in their glasses. She was like, what?
Because they only wear glasses.
It was quite funny. But anyway, update. Fun the Dearest is coming along, so we're going to go to the waterfront and have some chips.
Which is just next door.
Just next door. We've said that about a million times. And there's people in the doorway that kept looking at us, but they've gone now. And it was quite scary, wasn't it, Chloe?
Yeah, I didn't really like it. They kept looking at me and I didn't know what they were doing.
Yeah.
They're like, why are they wearing the crazy glasses? And why are they both wearing red and white tops?
Squeak says she'll let me know in the next 15-20 minutes because her mum isn't in yet. So she's trying, bless her. But by like 15-20 minutes, by the time she gets here, we'll be in Sandown by the time she gets here, won't we? And so Driftwood would be nearer. That'll be alright. If she comes. Basically, we're trying to get them here. I can smell fish, but they're not fish. Just that on the streets. Anyway, we just wanted to update you in the fact that Chloe made a fool of herself in front of loads of fit guys over there. I'm going to zoom on them again.
But it doesn't really matter
that
much, okay? Because I have
there he is.
boyfriend, so it's alright.
Oh, you say that now?
That's what I said a minute ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh! I zoomed up on your face. Look at that. Bless her. She's very simple.
Very simple.